Hi, this is Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop, and I hope my audio is coming in clear because I'm using a different microphone than I usually do. I just wanted to do a little brief video about a little tip that I have for guitar players. I just got done setting up this Kimbara Model 73. It's a kind of cool, quirky British guitar from the 1970s. Just got done doing level crown polish on these frets, doing a bridge plane and slotting on this bridge, and also went ahead and threw in a used bone saddle for this guy, so hopefully he's happy with that. Doing some other work on it. Anyway, I got done with the setup, and he gave me a pack of strings to put on this guitar, and he wanted to put these Elixirs on there, and I went ahead and put a date on there. Now that date is today's date, so these strings were changed on October 28th, 2021, and I went ahead and circled it because that's the important bit. This is an empty pack now, and I've gotten questions from people about why I go ahead and put the empty pack of strings back in the case. Well, the reason for that is because ideally, when you have a setup done on a guitar, whether that be acoustic or electric, you want to replace the strings on that guitar with the same strings that it was set up for. Strings pull different tensions, they have different size cores, different materials, and all of this stuff can kind of affect how that guitar intonates, how much pressure it's putting on the belly of the guitar, and how much pressure it's putting on the neck. And so, between these factors, the setup can actually be greatly affected by changing the gauge or even the brand sometimes of strings. And so it's very ideal if you kind of pick the strings that you like to use on that guitar and kind of stick with them. And it's also a really good idea to kind of record the date and the type. So recording the type is easy. I can just throw the empty pack in there and people know what this was, exactly what this was. There's like a product number down here, and you can just go on eBay or Amazon and type in that product number with Elixir, and you're going to come up with this exact set of strings, which is cool. Recording the date is a little more complicated, but not that much more complicated, because all you have to do is write a date on that pack of strings as far as when you put those on there, and that'll give you kind of an idea of when to replace them. Now, these are coated Elixir strings, and so these are going to last a little longer than an uncoated set. I'd say that for these guys, you probably get about 6 months out of it if you're kind to them. At that mark, you want to pull these off of there and put some new strings on, preferably the same type. So with uncoated strings, I'll generally say, if you're a pro player, do them every month. Do them before you do a recording session. If you're not a pro player, like every 2 months, maybe even 3, is probably going to be just fine for you. 3 if you don't play it very much. It all kind of depends on how often you're touching the strings and handling it, because what happens is that the round windings on these strings will kind of fill up with dirt and debris from your fingers and finger oils, and it'll start to corrode the metal a little bit. And that's kind of what causes string age, and why old strings kind of look all, brown and icky looking sometimes. That's the main reason that you change them. If you put a new set on there and you don't touch the guitar for like 3 months, that's still basically a new set. I say basically because there is some stretching that happens, while a guitar is just sitting under tension. And that stretching can kind of change the intonation a little bit. It can kind of mess with tensions a little bit. So there are some changes that happen, but you won't get that filling up of the windings that you get if you're handling it. That's kind of my little talk on strings. If you found this video helpful and you want to kick me a few bucks, there's a link to my Ko-Fi in the description of this video, and also a link to my Patreon if you wanted to sign up for that and donate like $1 a month to me. That's also cool. I also have a link down there to my Reverb page where I sell some instruments, and also to my website where I have a page on caring for stringed instruments, which you might be interested in as a player. Anyway, this has been Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop. I got lots of other videos like this. If you found this one helpful, link it to friends, and thanks for watching.